Hello, this is a how-to for creating Google appointment calendars for a sign-up. So for example, the history department has these 4 cards that they want to share. So what's going to happen is when you open up these links over here, it's going to go to the appointment calendar. And the teachers, as long as they're signed into Google, and you'll know you're signed in right here, or it'll probably prompt you to sign in. But if you know that you're going to use the computers on the iPads on August 21st, you would just click on it. It automatically already saves your name there, and you just click save. The cool thing about this is it's going to add it to your calendar, and if it turns out you don't need it, all you have to do is go to your personal Google Calendar and delete the event from your calendar, and it'll open it back up for someone else. So this is just kind of the organization for it all. Now here's the work on the back end. So the first day of school for the 2019 school year is August 19th. So I'm going to go ahead and make the first, over here you have different calendars. Like I have a lot of different library related calendars. If you need to make a new one for another cart, like when the ThinkPad card is ready, you just click the plus sign, name it, and then you can do the same thing that I'm about to do right now. So I'm going to do the one for the 28 history Chromebooks. And now I'm going to make my first appointment. Let's see, it was 28 history Chromebooks, because this is how it will show in everyone's calendar as they make their different appointments. Maybe one day they have iPads, the next day they have Chromebooks. It'll just make it easier for them to view in their own calendars. These are going to be full day checkouts. You could do by period. It's totally up to you. And then right here is the most important part, appointment slots. Once you click on that, you can break it up, but I just recommend using the single slot. And then from here, you don't have to do this for every single day of the school year. All you have to do is do more options. And right here it says does not repeat. Well, we want it to repeat every weekday until the end of the school year. So I did every weekday, and then now I'm doing custom. And I'm going to do ends on. And you're going to do kind of the day after the last day of school. So the last day of school is the 28th, but we're going to say that it ends on the 29th because it'll appear with only up to the 28th. Then I click done. Looks good. Save. And now they're going to populate all the way to the end of the school year. But now I'm going to use the school calendar to look and see which days I need to delete. So for example, the first day I need to delete is September 2nd because the kids are off that day, or actually everyone's off that day. I'm going to scroll up here. You can navigate quickly over here on the side. September 2nd. All you have to do is click on that event and the little trash can. This event only. Okay. And then it'll delete it for that day. Then you'll just want to go and keep following the dates on there. Now, let's say you need the new link because you created a new calendar for the ThinkPads over here since that one hasn't been created. You'll just click on this, go to appointment page for this calendar, and then you would copy and paste the URL and link it into the correct slide or in an email, etc. And that's it. That should be everything you need. It's very quick and simple. Again, if someone has already booked it and they change their mind, they don't need it, they need to delete it from their personal calendar, and then it'll open up that day for someone else.